My wonderful people. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and click on another video. And if you subscribe, make sure you leave a comment. I would like to talk about Shabdon. And the more I analyze this stone crusher guy, the more I am in his corner. The more I look at the different things that Sir P vlog about him, the more I am in this young man's corner. I'm going to explain why. Let's go. Well, we all know that Sir P is, if not the biggest, or one of the biggest Jamaican vloggers. And, you know, he brings some good stories to light about what's going on in Jamaica. But my biggest problem with some of the evidence that he puts forward, it just doesn't add up. I mean, I can get a picture of anybody and I could create a story or make some alternative facts and do a lot of different things, because we're living in the internet era. Now, I'm not saying Shabdon is innocent. I'm not saying none of that. But what I'm saying is there is no motive, no due process on a lot of the things that Sir P is saying. And I know I did a video like this earlier, but it just still bothers me that so many people can just read something or somebody tells them something. I guess, you know, Sir P is the big man, but like I said, I'm not saying he's not right on enough issues, but on the Shabdon issue, it just amazes me how people can just go off and believe anything. And with that, I can have a problem. Like I say, he lives in Jamaica. He was in a car recently and he was in a situation. His friend took the rap, and that's a normal situation when you have a group of people and the big man is there. Usually the small guy takes the fall. So that is not unusual. And like I said before, in 90% of killing and murders, it's usually a friend or a family or an acquaintance that you are close with. And that happens in certain major crime situation. So my thing is, Sir P should check, like the producer or whatever they say Shabdon got rid of, they should check his friends then. Because if something happens to me right now, me countryman, it's the people them that's close to me that the police are gonna talk to, not the so-called gang member from around the way where we and them are beef or whatever the hell's going on with that. But that's how the situation work. So I just want to put it out there that I am in Shabdon's corner. I know I said it, yes I did, but I am in this young man's corner. There is really nothing there for me to, you know what I'm saying? I have to give him the benefit of the doubt. He's a good producer. It seems like he's a little bit hot-headed and, you know, a rich kid. But I don't see any evidence. And it's just hard for me to, you know, jump on the bandwagon. Now, everybody know Shabdon lawyer had contacted Sir P, and somebody was saying Shabdon is guilty because his lawyer and he never speak up. And just as they said that, the lawyer came out and contacted Sir P, and Sir P let it be known, and the whole vlogosphere is talking about it. So, you know, everybody watches Sir P vlog, and I guess he kind of set the trend. But it goes to show that, yeah, Shabdon is having a problem with that, and he wants Sir P to stop slander his name. And that's the way I feel. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And when you subscribe, click on the notification button. And when you subscribe, leave a comment. And big up to all the subscribers and non-subscribers. But yeah, I am in Shabdon's corner on this one. I am not going to crucify this man. My name is Countryman. I'm out.